In the previous video, I have shown you how you can install WordPress using XAMPP and MAMP. In this video, I will be showing you how you can install WordPress locally on your PC or laptop using Flywheel. Go to this website localwp.com and click on download, and you need to choose the operating system. I have selected Windows, and after that you need to give the first name, last name, work email ID, phone number, and click on get it now. The size of the file is approximately 500 MB. Now go to the location where you have downloaded the file, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on next and click on install. Now the installation is going on. Once the installation is completed, you will be getting this message, finish. Click on finish. You need to accept the terms and conditions and click on I agree. Here you can see the message, welcome to local, create a free account. Click on that. Otherwise simply click on no thanks. Once you open local by Flywheel, the user interface will look like this. To install WordPress, simply click on this option, add local site. Now you will get two options, create a new site or create from blueprint. I'm going to select create a new site. Click on continue and give your website name. You can give any name. Don't change advanced options. Click on continue and click on preferred, and you need to enter the username which you want to set to access the backend of your WordPress website. After giving the username and password, enter the email ID, and after that don't change advanced options. Simply click on add site. Click on allow access. Now it is installing WordPress. Once the installation is done properly, you will get this option, site domain, SSL, web server, and so on. If you want to access the backend of your WordPress website, simply click on WP admin. Now enter the username and password which you have set. Click on login. Here you can see the backend of the WordPress website which we have installed using local by Flywheel. And similarly, let's access the front end. Click on open site. Here you can see that the name of the website, that is testing local by flywheel.local. This is the path. If you have given any other name such as WordPress, the URL would be wordpress.local. This is the front end. You can access the backend like this. If you are not using local by Flywheel, you can simply click on stop site. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily install WordPress website using local by Flywheel. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.